Glendora. I am an equine science major here. As you see behind me, we do have a little friend. We are at the equine breeding and breaking and training barn. So here we breed our really pretty mommies. And we have 2 studs in this barn. And you get to learn all about this program. And you get to also learn how to break and train colts if you choose to do that, which is a lot of fun. But also you get to deal with these little squishes, which we have right behind me. So yeah, that's what's at this barn, and I think it's a lot of fun. Here we are at the Equine Rehab barn. In this barn, we have our equine rehab pool that we walk horses in so they can swim and get some exercise. We also have the water treadmill, the radiation, and the saltwater treadmill that all helps move muscles, different tendons. It helps keep horses in shape over the winter when we're not riding them as much. So people bring their horses to us and we get to help them.